Hey y'all, today I'm going to be dyeing my hair. It's going to be red and magenta. I got this L'Oreal Excellence Hicolor highlights. I got magenta, one magenta, and I got two reds. Let's see how this turns out. A few weeks ago I dyed my hair, I think it's honey blonde. So yeah, I did that a few weeks ago, so hopefully that'll help lighten it up. Hopefully it turns out to be a pretty red. Ah, yes, let's go. All right, so got my little mixing bowl, mixer, and I'm gonna be using this 30 volume cream. I'll use this to tip it open. That's pretty. What color is this? This is the magenta. Don't forget to put your gloves on. Put your gloves on. Gloves. All right, that's the magenta. Now, didn't even poke the hole in. Here comes the red. Some of the bust. Which I thought it did. Wrong. I got it on the wrong side. And that time it made a dent. No wonder. Alright, red coming in. It should look pretty much the same. Not really a whole difference. Magenta is maybe a tiny bit darker, but not too much darker than the red. I probably only need 2 of these, but I'm gonna use 3 anyway. Just so that red could be really bright. The red is a lot nicer than the honey blonde. Second bottle of red. I'm gonna make sure it's opening. Yeah. Oh, this stuff is really strong. Alright. Have to add some of this 30 developer. This is gonna be some bright red, y'all. Look at this, it's pretty. Might add a little bit more developer. When I say strong, it's strong, girl. It's a really bright red. I like it. Hopefully it turns out good in my head. Looks more purplish on that side for some reason. But over here it's really bright. So this consistency right here looks really good to me. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Alright, so I'm gonna just do my ends for right now, and then I'm gonna come back and do my roots because I don't want my roots to be as light as my ends. Hopefully they don't turn out to be, but if they do, that'll be fine. I just don't want to start off like that. So I'm gonna leave it on there 30 minutes and then come back and do my roots for the last about 5-10 minutes. So I'm gonna leave it on there for a total of 45 minutes. Let's go. Try to make sure you get between those shades. Oh, this is making my eyes water. That's crazy. I have to try to speed this up. Alright, now let's get into the next one. Ooh. Both eyes watering. Oh my goodness. That's how strong it is. My eyes are freaking watering. Spread them Jones open and get them between the seams. Oh yeah. Get all that red up in there. I gotta step out for a second. This is really strong. Alright y'all, I'm back. I had to step out for a second. It's really strong. So, oh man. I really need to hurry up and do this with the quickness. I guess I'll put some Vaseline on now. So I'm gonna pause this, change my gloves, and come back. Alright y'all, I'm back. Had to go get me some Vaseline so I can put it around my edges, even though I'm not doing it right now. But for what I do it later. Alright. Back to the coloring. Before my eyes start to water again. This is a really pretty color. Alright, just trying to make sure that all the red is going through. So just doing a piece like this. Then I'm gonna come back and just cover up the rest of my head. I just don't want it to be as light as the ends. Hopefully it turns out darker because I'm not gonna leave it on but about 5-10 minutes. So I'm gonna let this sit for about 35-40 minutes and then leave the other stuff on about 5-10 minutes. Something like that. Okay. Alright. Covering it up. 30-35 minutes. Come back and do the rest. Alright. Alright y'all, I'm back. It's been about 35 minutes. I'm about to take this off. See what it's looking like. Oh yeah. That's really red. Alright, so I'm about to take these rubber bands off and do my roots. Alright, I'm starting to I'll be back. Alright, so just on my lip. Try to get it off. Lord, this is some messy shit. just want to fuck up my lips. I feel like they're fucking burning. Alright, let's get back to this. I'm starting the back. Work my way up to the front. Be careful swinging your hair around because it be probably getting your eyes and your mouth. I'm probably gonna rinse this out right now because that's as red as I want it at the front. I don't want to get no lighter. Alright, so I may leave this on about 5-10 minutes. Alright, because I really don't want no lighter than this, but we gonna see. Alright, 5-10 minutes, be right back. Alright, y'all, I'm back. I'm about to take this off. Oh yeah, that's red enough for me at the front. Too red, but yeah. Alright, we about to wash this out. I'll be right back with the results. Alright, y'all, I'm back. Just finished dyeing my hair red and magenta. Just got out the shower, so yeah. Here we go. Just do a comb through. I'm gonna style it in a little bit or whatnot. But yes, for the most part, it turned out how I wanted it. That's pretty. It's a little reddish up here a little bit, but that's all good. Still a little dark up here. But it's actually good. Oh yes, that's a pretty red. Ooh, yes. Alright. So, yeah. This is the kind of conditioner I used. I used this color protection conditioner, generic brand, you know, budget. Okay. I only use conditioner, I don't use shampoo. I'm probably about to put some leave-in conditioner in here and then style it how I'm about to style it. And I will get back to y'all on that. Alright. Deuces. I'm gonna show y'all the back of my head. Look at that. Do that.